Welcome to the Golden Ladle, the home cooking channel. Today's recipe is the traditional sesame mango pickle from the Telugu cookbook. It assimilates with any dish. If you're a fan of tahini, you'll definitely like it. Take 4 cups of raw mango pieces and keep them aside. The cup may be of any size, but the measurements must be the same. Now, take 2 cups of sesame seeds and roast them on a slow flame. Once they start popping, turn the stove off and let it cool. If you over roast them, they become bitter. Now grind them into a smooth powder. In a clean bowl, add the sesame powder, half a cup of sea salt. Be careful while adding the salt because a little can make a lot of difference. Add half a cup of mustard powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon of fenugreek powder, and mix it thoroughly. Now add this mixture to the raw mangoes and mix again. To this, add 1.5 cups of gingerly oil, and give it a mix. And it's done. You may add half a cup of garlic pods if you desire. Keep it aside for 3 days to mature. On day 3, the sesame powder soaks in all the flavors and comes together. Rich, fragrant, and delicious. Spread the gravy on pita bread or eat the pickle with hot ghee rice and roti. It blends in seamlessly. The shelf life of this pickle is less as compared to the others, so don't forget to store it in the fridge. Let me know if you like the recipe in the comments below and tap the like button. Share the video with your friends and family, and please subscribe. I will meet you again with another delicious recipe. Until then, take care.